For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Indian Railways cancel all regular passenger trains till the 12th of August due to rising COVID-19 cases in the country. However, all other special Rajdhani, Mail and Express trains will continue functioning. The Railway Board stated that trains for essential workers will not be affected by this decision. The Railway Board, in a notification, made the announcement of the cancellation of all trains till the 12th of August.
It has been decided that regular timetable passenger services, including mail or express, passenger and suburban services, stand cancelled up to 12/8/2020. It has also been decided that all the ticket booked for the regular timetable trains for the journey date from 1/7/2020 to 12/8/2020 also stand cancelled.
All the tickets which were booked from the 1st of July to the 12th of August also stand cancelled as stated in the notification by the Railway Board. A railway spokesperson said that a decision of running more trains is still to be taken and people will be informed about it. The spokesperson also added that none of the trains which are presently operational have been cancelled.
We have only enabled refunds for trains which are not being operated and for which tickets have been booked prior to lockdown and up to April 14. No trains which are presently operational have been cancelled. Special trains will continue to run. As far as the running of more trains is concerned, all will be informed and bookings will be done as and when the decision is taken about them. There is no blanket order ruling out running of more trains till 12th August.
A full refund will be provided by the railways to those who booked their train tickets on or before the 14th of April. Railways had earlier cancelled their services after the lockdown was imposed to contain coronavirus. The decision of stopping the regular train services was taken by the Railway Board amidst rising COVID-19 cases across the country. The Indian Railways has been running special Shramik trains for the stranded migrants, students from the 1st of May 2020 onwards. The Railways has already operated thousands of Shramik trains in order to help the stranded people. India registered the biggest single-day spike of 16,922 cases on the 25th of June. India's COVID-19 tally is fast approaching 5 lakh mark. The death toll in the country stands nearly 15,000. This decision by the railways clearly indicates that normalcy is going to take a whole lot more time than expected.